Hey everyone, this is Johnny with PSAtactical.com. Today we're doing a field strip and reassembly of the PSA Dagger. First off, let's make sure that this gun is safe. We're going to go ahead and remove the magazine and ensure that there are no rounds in the magazine. Always check and make sure that there are no rounds in your chamber. Pointing at a safe direction, we're going to go ahead and pull the trigger. Once the trigger has been pressed, there are two tabs on each side of the frame. So go ahead and pull those down while at the same time pulling back the slide ever so slightly and then pushing forward. This should release the slide from the frame. Now go ahead and put your frame off to the side. Some dagger models come with a threaded barrel. If yours does, go ahead and turn counterclockwise. Put that off to the side and go ahead and remove that small O-ring. You just roll it right out. Now from here, we're going to remove our guide rod assembly. So go ahead and push in and then right out. And you can go ahead and pick that barrel right up and remove it. And that's all there is to it. That is the field strip of the PSA Dagger. Now let's put it all back together. Let's start off by picking up our slide, grabbing our barrel with the lugs pointing up. Go ahead and insert the barrel and then push it all the way back. Go ahead and grab your guide rod assembly, the smaller end towards the muzzle. So go ahead and put that in right in front there. And from here, you want to make sure that you compress into that first step there. And it should be perfectly parallel with the slide. From here, we're going to go ahead and place our O-ring and then grab our thread protector here. Now, the correct way to thread this on is by making sure that the recessed end goes in first. So we're going to go ahead and just thread that back on. And hand tight is all you really need here. Our slide is fully assembled. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our frame. And what you're going to want to do here is align those rails with the grooves on the slide. You just line it up. And I found personally with the Dagger it tends to wobble, but just go ahead and find that sweet spot until it finally aligns with the grooves in the back. See here? Right there. Once you got that going, go ahead and rack the slide. From here we're going to function test. Go ahead and rack it one more time. In a safe direction, pull the trigger. Hold the trigger back. Rack the slide one more time and check for reset. Perfect. Next thing we want to do is go ahead and grab our magazine. Make sure it's empty. Place it back in the gun and check for lockback. The Dagger is functioning just fine. This has been the field strip and reassembly of the PSA Dagger. For more information, please visit our website at PSAtactical.com.